Nike. So just do it. So what size is that, Ate Enel? Lebron Witness. Nike in season. So which one is your buying, Clark? Air Force pala. So yung bibili ni Clark, Air Force. Try it.
Maybe yes.
Yeah, maybe. Anong size ba? Is that trending?
The most popular shoe in the world right now.
Most popular shoes in the world right now?
How much are they?
Yes, for the kids only. $100.
Wow.
Guys, morning. Nagbabalikan lang kay traffic. Today is Sunday, magsisimba tayo. Who's with me?
Han, bilisan mo, Han.
Oh, sige, tara. Who's with me? Okay. Pupunta kami sa simbahan ngayon. Church. Tulad nga ng nasabi natin sa previous video vlog natin, mga idol. Di ba? Galing tayo doon sa camping with 3 days. Pinagsama ko na sa isang video. Ang saya-saya. Ngayon naman is linggo. Today is Sunday. At mag-church kami. Magpasalamat tayo kay Lord sa lahat ng mga blessing. Hindi man material, pero yung health ng family namin, family ko, magpasalamat kasi talagang malayo sa sakit ang mga pamilya ko, asawa at mga anak ko. Yung nakagandahan. So you guys going to pray in the church, okay? Okay. Tapos after this, magsha-shopping kami ng bago nilang sapatos. Shopping ba tayo sapatos nila? Kasi nga malapit ng malapit ng pasukan. Kailan ba pasukan nila?
Next week na.
Next week na. Bukas bibiyahin na ako, guys Bukas.
Alam mo, Labor Day bukas, sarado ang mga tindahan.
Labor Day pala bukas, sarado pala ang lahat ng mga tindahan. Kaya samantalain namin ngayon kasi long weekend, sana makahanap kami ng mga sale. Yun lang talaga yun. Magsipag tayo magtrabaho para mayroon tayong budget o pera pambili ng pangailangan ng mga anak natin. School, sa school libre ang pag-aaral nila, elementary pa naman, pero siyempre yung mga necessities tulad ng mga clothing, food, at saka shoes, yan ang hindi libre. Siyempre sa pamilya yan, yung sa family magpo-provide na yan. Pero yung enrollment, payment sa school, yun ang libre. No?
Meron din silang free breakfast lagi.
Yan sa school may free breakfast din sila.
Kaso sobrang maaga kaya hindi na kami nakapag-breakfast.
Wag ka ganon? Masyadong maaga.
Lahat ng school dito sa I think sa Canada kasi nga yun ang problema sa mga bata, walang energy pagka morning.
Umaga. Oo.
Tapos ang dahilan walang breakfast. So nag-provide sila ng breakfast every morning.
Libre pa almusal din.
Kasi yung ibang family walang pang breakfast. Pero tayong mga Pilipino lagi tayong merong ganun. Hindi tayo nagpapabaya.
Oo. So, pinapaalmusal talaga yung mga bata. Simba-simba pag may pagkakataon, sinusulit ko na talaga itong time na to, guys, kasi hindi ko alam kung mga ilang araw na naman tayo sa karsada. Pag labas natin bukas, sa previous video vlog natin talagang umabot tayo ng 27 days, no? Okay lang, worth it naman kasi siyempre kumita rin naman tayo. Maganda rin naman yung mga biyaheng binigay sa atin. Kaya hindi naman talaga ako I have no regrets magtagal kapag ganun na magandang biyahe natin okay lang. Tapos pag umuwi ka naman ng family mo, syempre sulitin mo rin naman kasi ganun lang naman talaga ang buhay dito sa Canada. Maraming possibility na umasenso ka dito sa Canada, guys. Basta't masipag ka lang talaga. Kaya mo lahat yan. Kaya mo ma-afford lahat ang bagay na nanaisin mo. Basta masipag ka magtrabaho. Marunong ka mag-ipon. Close that way, please. Masipag mag-ipon. Marunong umawak ng pera. Di pala gastos. Bibilhin mo lang o gagastos ka lang sa mga bagay na pangangailangan ng family mo. Ganun lang yun. Ano lang talaga yun?
Kung tayo magastos sa pagkain, tayo magastos.
Ganun lang talaga yun. Diba, Hanay?
Importante. Unnecessary things mahirap gastusin yun.
Ngayon, magsisimba tayo. Anong oras ang simbahan?
10 o'clock. Ay, 10:30.
10:30, 10:17 na. Nakikita natin dyan sa natin 10:17 na. Tama-tama, makahanap pa kami ng magandang parking at saka upuan sa simbahan. Dito kami lagi nagsisimba sa St. Edward. Alright guys, ito yung casino McPhilip Station. Casino ka dyan, oh. Casino muna ka dyan. Tumaya-taya ka muna ng katamtaman. Alam mo, manalo ka ng jackpot, $30,000. Alright, dito na lang tayo para makalabas tayo ng mas maaga.
Mamaya ano tayo dyan ha? Huwag na yan. Delikado.
Diyan naman nagpaparking yung mga tao.
Violators. Makakalabas tayo dito.
Sige, ikaw nang bahala kasi ikaw naman ang driver. But at least marami pang pwesto, marami pa tayong
Paharap tayo doon para hindi may...
marami pang bakante guys, maaga pa eh. Pero mamaya puno na yan. Yes! Ang kapwa Pilipino. Guys, say thank you to God, okay? Don't forget to pray. Open hand. Mag-practice nila. Okay. Come, Clarky. Guys, my kiddos, my family, we are here in St. Edward Catholic Church. Post with me. Go. Let's go, let's go. Let's go. Tapos ng church. Nagdasal ba si Bake? Yes! Everybody dasal? Bake? Alright, let's go guys. Sigurado ba lahat nagdasal? Did you say thank you to Papa God?
I hope for news for a good school.
Okay, that's good. You will. Because you're a good daughter. Yeah. Just keep doing what you do best. Oh, everybody seat belt?
Yeah.
Okay. Saan tayo ngayon, Han? Saan yun? Malayo-layo? Kinaston?
Stern line.
Okay. Outlet mall daw tayo guys. para makabili ng sapatos tong mga to. Let's go. Kung outlet mall tayo. Sa Kenaston yun.
Bakit gini mo?
On
At least
please turn on the aircon.
thank you tayo kay Papa God.
Please
Yes.
turn on the aircon.
Give me this one. 5 yung
Thanks, Pop.
There is aircon there? Okay, perfect. Aircon.
Down.
Ayan guys, tara, kapag may pagkakataon, simba-simba rin kayo.
Like mine.
That's what we do. Huwag natin kalimutan si Papa God. Kasi ganyan talaga. Lahat natutupad natin kasi nag-church tayo. At bigay lahat yan ni Papa God. Lahat ng mga blessing. At saka para tuloy-tuloy ang ligaya natin. Yan. Magpasalamat tayo. Hindi man sa financial, yung health na lang natin is malaking bagay na yan. Malulusog ang mga anak ko walang sakit, especially si Baki at si Nel, Clark, at si Mami. She's a strong woman. At ang inyong apong lakay, masculine. Anyway, sabi ko lang yun guys but it's true. Alright guys, tara lor, talalor. Tara mga Lods sa Outlet Mall, Kenaston, Sterling Lion.
Wow.
Where are you like?
Alright guys, yun Hilton Garden Inn. Maganda sana mag-check-in dyan.
It's a long time.
Tapos may mga beach. Ay, may mayroong may mga yata dun Meron silang swimming pool. Meron silang dyan kung ano-anohan.
Wow.
Oh.
That's a whole lot of big bags. Okay, sorry.
Oh, han.
Sorry.
Kung ano-ano. Ay, mayroon silang kung ano-ano.
So important.
Timmy. Ayun
We're
pa.
not invited.
Oo. No, it's ano to?
So fair.
Merong mga may mga bilihan din yata dito. Oh. Ang ganda naman ng sasakyan na yun. Oh. Guys, andito na tayo sa where are we guys?
Outlet mall.
Outlet Mall. Bilihan ng sapatos din nyo. Pero kumain muna daw tayo, sabi ni Mami. Kain muna daw kami sa food court. Simpleng kain lang sa food court. Hindi na natin kailangan yung mamahaling restaurant kasi hindi pa sila nag-almusal. Kain
Yakisoba.
lang.
Yakisoba.
Ganon. Pwede yata yan
They have a
Press mo na lang. Yan.
where's the cats? Take down.
But it was in the other car. Dun sana yun.
Oh, pwede ka namang matras wala pa naman tao. Matrasan mo. Kaya mo yung matras na mas mabilis ka di ba? Parking kapag naka-atras. Alisin mo yung lalabas ako para makita ko.
Pumasok na. Huwag na.
Oh, miss.
You missed again.
Almost.
Yan
Okay, again.
Hindi ko na nakita.
Hey, no fair.
Oh, ito. Sa may side dito.
Ew! Will you guys
Yan.
be quiet?
Okay.
Right there. No! No, I'm just gonna do this.
Careful guys.
Stop.
Mami is backing.
Dude.
Alright.
We fit.
We're fit?
I'm not sure.
Sige pa,
about
atras mo
the
pa konti.
other side.
Teka, titignan ko kung mayroon pang space na pwede kang atras. Kasi nakalabas yung uso mo maluwag pa han. Sige, labas. Iano mo. Okay. Sige. Okay. Hop. Okay. Alright guys. Outlet Mall. We buy shoes. Guys tagal na rin na hindi ako nakarating dito sa Outlet Mall.
We've been there once, but I think open at the 5
It's been a while.
Yeah.
probably 5 years ago.
No, I was only 9. I think it was just like 11.
You're only 9? How old are you now?
10.
Okay. Tara, mag-washroom muna ako, nahihiya ako. Gate 1. Ooh. You guys doing a great job already. Washroom muna tayo, Han. Washroom. Washroom muna, washroom. Outlet mo. Old Navy outlet. H&M. Arden. Nike. Nike ba bibilhin, Han? Nike? Nike ba ang mga gusto ng mga bata, Han? Nike? Which one you like it? Nike? Nike is you like? Oh. O sige, bahala kayo. Total, masipag naman ng tatay nyo maghanap buhay. Kaya may budget yan, may pera. Ito, ano? Pag-ihian. Ihi muna tayo. O maghugas na rin ng... O maghugas ng kamay din. Guys, maghugas ng kamay baki ha. Because you're going to eat. Okay. Let's go. Si Baki oh. Kakulit. Ate Sinel, you're doing a great job.
Yeah.
Okay. So which one you like, Nike or Converse?
No.
Okay. Ate Clark, which one you like, Nike or Converse?
Nike.
Baki, which one you like?
Air Force.
Air Force?
It's the same.
But anyway, kain muna tayo. Michael Kors. Oh, Michael Kors oh.
They even have Urban Planet here?
Urban Planet. At least kahit paano nakagala kayo sa akin, guys. Ayun, mamaya punta tayo. Who?
$10.
Yan mamaya, sige. Bilang ka ni mami mo ng ganyan. Grand opening pala, Han. Grand opening pala.
Yeah, see?
Grand opening pala nila. Entire store is 10 or less. Tag 10 lang pala. Everything is 10.
real.
Kaya 50 pa, Darnell. Standard. Saan na yung street ha? Dito, hindi, ano yung 10? Sa kabila. There. Perfect. Ay, nandun pala yung kainan. Tara.
Okay.
Meron siya New York fries, Shanghai. Ano ito, ano? May rice at saka pansit. Sige, dun tayo. Big Smoke Burger. Order here. Ayun o, mga soup. May KFC. Ayun. Wala naman yung Thai na sinasabi ni Mrs. Tapos doon pa sa kabila, grill, KFC.
Kay Clark.
Ah, sige, hindi, doon na lang tayo. Doon ako, wala namang iba rito.
Oo.
May pansit doon eh, oh. Doon na lang tayo. Yan, babayaran na lang ni Mami. Naka-80.
No.
Plus tip pala yan, Han, 8%. We are in Shanghai 360.
Always me,
So,
always me.
lead the prayer, okay, bakit?
Name for the Son's Prayer. Almighty God, bless us in this food that we're able to eat and show us the grace by cutting your family here and that daily back down to your left. We ask this to us from Jesus Christ, our Lord, and the name for the Son's Prayer.
Okay. Binilisan na ni Baki. Okay, let's go. Eat na.
Wait, that's Papa's.
Hindi ko muna ng tubig natin, Han.
Where's mine?
Wala ito, mag-share kayo na. Share kami ni Papa.
Okay, which one is mine?
Baki, let's do this one.
What?
No, you
Simple
share.
lang yung kainan namin, guys. Ito, oh, mga ramen.
You share with Ate Clark.
Share with the ano, kasi hindi naman kumuha ni Mami mo ng tubig. Ako hindi na ako mag-ano, tubig lang ako sana eh.
Please, no tinsel.
There,
Can I
here.
taste one of this? I want to taste. Is it spicy?
Yes. You have yours. That's why you don't.
Tinsel.
Kaya pala may pumbuto. Pumbuan lang dapat meron para fair tayo.
Dalawa yung kinuha niya. Maki-share ka na lang dyan kay Baki.
Ayun, no, sorry.
Ito ba
Gagawin mo lang dyan. Kukuha na lang guys, kain tayo. After namin kumain dito, namili na kami ng kapag sa mga bata.
Can you go on the other side? Because somebody's going to be sitting here.
Oh.
Try to go out again. Thank you.
Sorry about that.
Pwede naman kasi tayo doon, ano?
Si, lipat tayo ron.
What?
Lipat tayo dun sa kabila. O hilahin mo na yung isang upuan.
Tama na to.
Nike. Let's go to Nike. Mamimili ng sapatos ng mga kids para sa kanilang school. Mag-testing na kayo dyan.
Go find yours.
Pinil, go look for it.
Bakay, what's yours?
Dito tayo mamaya mag-testing kayo. Which one is you guys like? Yeah, 54.
Yeah, I haven't even found Air Forces yet.
Which one you like?
Air Forces, the white ones.
The cheapest one?
Yeah. It's
Okay. That's what I like to you. Cheapest one is okay.
also it's expensive. It's up to mom if she wants to buy it or not.
Whatever mommy's asking,
I'm gonna ask both the Air Forces.
we're good.
I'm going to ask one of the managers.
Where's mom? They're right there.
Can I ask the kids? Can I ask the adults? One of the store managers that was the Air Forces area.
Sure, go ahead, ask them.
Okay.
This guy. What you laughing? Meron pang paaskas ha. Ngayon guys oh, mga Nike nila oh. 129. No? Na all. Ito, yung mga pang babae naman to mga to. Okay, ako sa akin, okay na to. Tama na to. Hindi ako bibili, sila lang. Where?
They think they said it's sold out.
Sold out? Look for something else. Dito with mommy, Archer. Go. Ask help from mommy.
Sold out already?
They're real popular. That's why they go outside.
Go on the side, go on the side. Just buy a lookalike.
Doon tayo.
No.
Magtanong kay Han kung anong ano ba para sa mga bata. Kasi hindi ko alam kung anong bibili mo Han eh.
Why? So, yes,
Kunin mo lang
Mommy.
mamaya,
Yes,
tapos-
Mommy.
Kunin mo na yan, nak. Siyahan.
Oh my God.
Umupo sila rito tapos mag-testing. Dito Han.
It's fine for
Maghanap ka na si Neil. O yan. Yan, purma naman yan.
Bakit kami yan? You want this?
Whoa.
Stand up.
No.
No?
Puro black na lang yung sapatos sa gusto mo, bakit?
No? Bakit no?
Ito, $99.
How about these?
That's too big na.
That's
No.
too huge.
It's too big. Look at that, oh.
Eh, tingnan mo kung anong size yan.
Huwag yan, 149. Bakit kam?
Maybe.
Hold on.
Maybe yes. I
Yeah,
think
maybe.
Yan, yan.
Anong size ba?
Oh no, it's...
Parehas lang yan, Han.
what size is this one?
Let me try.
Hold on. 6 years old man to na.
I'm a 6-year-old.
It's too big na.
What?
It's
For
fine. Maybe
6 years?
you're 5.
Mamaya mo na sila sabay-sabay pag-testingin doon. Nel, look for yours now. And sabay-sabay kayo mag-testing.
Bakit? Bakit kami now?
Is this for kids?
Yeah. You're not a kid.
Yeah, but I'm just gonna cut it.
Or 4, sa 4.
Yeah, maybe 4.
Mom.
Yan lang nakita mo?
Basketball yan kay Sinilan. Magpapabili na naman yung basketball.
Mommy, this one.
That's not for basketball,
I don't
man.
know which one, Mom.
We're gonna look later.
Ang pulutin mo muna Han, doon o paupuin mo sila, doon sila mag-testing Han. Doon sila mag-testing kasi may mga tao rito. Kunin mo yung slip sapatos mo bakit? Let's go. Clark, let's go. Take something for you.
You want like this? No?
Pang babae yata yun ha.
Buy these.
Pang lalaki, pang babae.
Mommy, where's your phone? I'm gonna search shop. Website.
Yun guys oh, ito lang kasimple oh, $109. Dating 160, now 109, 110, kamo na lang 50. Oh. 50 ang ibinaba. Halos kalahati rin ng mga binaba eh. 80, 120, 40. Ayos. Maganda. Ang daming tao. Ang daming tao guys. Oh, Nike in season. So which one is your buying, Clarky? Air Force? Air Force. Air Force pala. Kasi yung bibili ni Clarky, Air Force. Try it. Feel good?
A little bit bouncy. Nice.
Yeah, that's good. Yeah. Because you're growing up too. Baki, what we thinking there? Are we thinking?
No, it's not a run.
Ay, kay Baki, nasaan?
Clark, you want that?
Ito yung kay Baki. Nike SB. Did you try this, Baki? Let me see. Patry mo nga, Han. Patry mo muna kay Baki. Baki, try it.
Mommy, where's your phone?
Baki, try it. Sit down here and try it. Sit down here.
These?
Yeah, come now. Tulungan mo, Han.
Come here, Nox, sit down here.
I wonder how much are these?
It's okay, Nox. You can buy that one.
Okay, yung isa pa nga. Let me see if you feel good with that.
Here, come here.
Tapos si Ate Sinel na lang mamaya, no?
Here, let's find this one.
Ask with the guy. Kasi iba yung type mo rin eh. Pinakamahal pa naman yung gusto niya eh. Parang may ganyan na si Baki, Han.
These are good to go with my feet.
Let me see. Let me see.
When I walk, they look like these.
So you like
I
that?
always do that.
You like that?
Yeah, maybe I like that.
Do you like
Just
that?
like every day when I walk, it does. My feet goes out a bit from the back.
Kasi si Sinel na lang, Han.
Okay, Clark, come on now.
Yeah.
Come in here. Nel, you like that one?
Nahirapan si Ate Sinel sa paghahanap ng kanyang ano. May nakita siya doon is 10.5 naman is pang lalaki na yung mga ganun. Eh naghahanap siya ng pang basketball niya eh. Yung basketball ang kailangan niya eh. Basketball. Ang basketball. Marami yan eh. Yan ang women oh. Dito ka sa women na. Yung hinahanap mo kasi yung pang lalaki eh.
This one's a youth. Yeah, so the biggest.
This is the biggest.
Yeah, usually the biggest we have for youth is 7, but the biggest we have in the back right now is a 6
Oh no.
So that's not Nike, right?
This is LeBron.
LeBron. Oh, it's LeBron. LeBron pala to eh.
Oh, sayang.
LeBron. Do you have anything else like bigger one?
Do
LeBron?
you have like this?
Kaya pala, Witness.
Laki kasi yung paa niya.
LeBron. Ay, ganyan talaga. Ang basketball. Find something else.
That's anime shoes.
LeBron?
That's anime shoes.
Ayaw niya naman niya. Ayaw niya yung nahanap ng ano. Yan, mga ganitong ano nila. Ito
Yan, ang
talaga
ganyan,
panglakad. Hindi yung
Ang rubber.
takbo talaga yan. Hindi sasakit ang paa mo niyan.
Hold. LeBron. Paghanap ka na lang ng ano mo dyan kasi maliit ka pa. Pag malaki ka na, tsaka na tayo tumingin.
So na lang na. This one.
She says she's finding something.
Is she finding something?
She did not, man.
So you find something? LeBron James? Ikaw na anak ang naka-LeBron James. Naka-LeBron James. Deserving niya ate Sinil magkaroon ng LeBron James. Oh, correct yun. Buti, itaas mo yung ano mo, itaas mo yung pantalon mo. Oh, binigay na namin yung binigay ko.
Baki.
Ay, Baki, stand up.
stand up. We find in the
Go ahead. Just got taking a picture of my video with my daughter. LeBron James. Galingan mo mag-basketball ha. Witness guys, witness. 9.5 ang size, grabe. LeBron Witness. Panalo. Ikaw Han, Han ikaw.
That's from the other toast.
Han ikaw. Han ikaw. Let me see. Nike ba? Nike?
Yeah.
Ay, gusto ko sa'yo eh. Masyado ko. Itas mo na. Itas mo nga yung ano. Yan, oh. That's good.
Run. Try to run.
Okay, that's good. Oh, sorry. Go ahead, yeah. Go ahead. Okay. Alright, so kompleto na yun, Han. Yan na yun. Sige, bayaran na natin. So just do it. So what size is that at NL?
11 for women.
For women, your feet is only 8 ha. Be careful. Be careful with that because that's too much. That's big. How about you, Baki?
9.5.
Okay, kaya mo na. Wala, yan ang gusto niya. Okay. How about you, Clarky? Air Force. Air Force 1. Sa Ate Clark, naka Air Force 1. Sa Ate Sinel, LeBron James. Baki is Nike. What is this? SB.
SB.
Just SB?
Yeah, just SB.
Okay. Babayaran na natin. Clark, you said it's yours is trending? How come you say that's trending?
It is.
Oh.
What small bag for 3 days? Each.
Can I have this one card? I want it.
No, give it to them. You cannot take that. Is that trending?
Ano ba yan?
Trending?
Yeah, it's trending.
The most popular shoe in the world right now.
Most popular shoes in the world right now.
How much are they?
Yes, for the kids only.
Do you guys see the bag?
They're $63.99.
60.
Most popular shoes in the world.
I thought they were
Daw.
180.
Trending.
How much is it?
Our
Buti
store
pa,
is the best. That's why it's so cheap.
I'm going to pay
buti
now.
pa kayo. Buti pa kayo may mga good for them. Parents don't get shoes. Only kids. They're going to school soon. So magkano? Inabot siya ng $200. 8 mil sa peso, 8 mil.
Alright, it's gonna be 206.
Thank you, sir. Let's go. Oh, put in here, nak. Grabe gastos ko. Naubos ang pinagputahan ng papa mo ngayon yan. Oh, let's go. Wait na lang ni mami dito. Masipag ngayon maglaro sa Ate Sinil ng basketball niyan. Baka hanggang Hanggang ano lang tayo, hanggang forma lang tayo. Wait for ma'am here. Bakit?
Where are we going?
Bili tayo ng ano mo, belt mo. Sabi ni ma'am, di ba?
The one that we saw in the store earlier. The same store we saw earlier.
Picture dito han. Oh. Hindi na? Oh, sige. Magkano inabot han? 206. Clark, where are you? Let's go. Guys, nandito naman tayo ngayon sa ano, tuloy-tuloy ang shopping ng mga bata. Nako. Mukhang mauubusan yata ang papalakay nito ah. Ang tag 10 lang ba? Ay, 25 naman ha. Nakala ko 10 lang.
No, they're all
But,
10.
oh, why is it 25? Okay.
It says, but it's actually...
Tumingin nga ako kahit dalawang short.
Oh,
Tingin ako ng dalawang short ko lang.
bakit kami yan?
Kasi summer. Guys, go, Baki. Baki, go with mommy.
Ito lang yung mga batang binibilan na ng damit. Parang ano
Ang
pa.
tatamad pa oh. Pero gusto nilang magsuot.
Bakit kami yan?
Baki, mommy is calling you. Ang tigas ng ulo mo. Ma'am.
Tumingin ka na sa'yo, han.
Oh, short lang han, short. Short lang, short lang. Ano ba? Oh, sige.
Almost.
Inabot kayo ng ilang minutuhan. 30 minutes yata. Ay, pagkahaba kasi ng pila lang. Right over there. Dun sa pinaka dulo guys. Ubus na naman ng... Ubus naman ng... Na naman, broke na naman si papa nito. Tsaka si mami.
Si Sinel, maraming binili.
Nag-shopping si Sinel. Ate Sinel pala eh.
Stop
Sige.
buying clothes now.
Sige. Yun na lang, uwi na tayo. Alright guys, tapos na yung aming pamimili. Tapos na yung aming pagsha-shopping ng mga kids. Magkano inabutan?
$700.
$100 lahat. Tapos ang pinagputahan ng lakay tracker. Broke na ang lakay tracker. But anyway, para sa school ng mga bata. Si Ate Sinil is the one who has a lot of clothes. Galingan mo mag-aral para makabawi-bawi sa grades. Tapos ako na daw magdadrive, sabi ni Mrs. kaya napagod na. Okay lang. Tayo na magmaneho. Tapos pag uwi sa bahay, mag-prepare na ano ng babaonin, magbabarbecue na rin kami ni Mrs. ng babaonin ko guys. Marami pang i-prepare, marami pang tatrabahuin. Pero ang haba ng pila na no? Akala ko ang buti kay 3 oras dun eh. O $10 ang isang mga damit. Kahit ano, 10-10. Maganda yung deal. Dito tayo nak. Dito yung sasakyanhan. Sasakyan nandito. Alright. Ako na ako na magdadrive. Oh. Ay. Maraming nakakilala sa akin dito guys sa Winnipeg. Ilan na yung nagpa-picture sa akin kaganina. Ay, may kumakaway pa dun. Mga basta Pilipino kasi talaga. Ano yan? Talagang you know, pamilyar eh. Basta Pilipino, pamilyar. But anyway, ako na magdadrive kasi pagod na si Mami. Papa is driver. Buksan muna natin itong mga ano para lumabas yung hangin na mainit. Tapos iyon muna natin yung ano. Palamigin na natin. Woo! Now, let's go home. Wala tayong dadaanan. Wala na.
Gulay mo.
Hindi na, tama na yun ha. Bibili na lang ako, hindi ko naman kailangan agad-agad yung mga gulay. Okay guys, let's go. Okay, close na everything. Para yung cold is stay in our car. Napagod ka ba, mame?
Hindi ako naman.
Yeah, I know. Let's go man, drink a cold, very cold water.
It's hot and my legs are so rusty.
Style nyo, kala nyo ganun din ang ano, samantalang pagdating natin sigurado sa bahay niyan, magsiselfon din naman kayo. No? Cellphone. Hindi na kami dumaan dito guys sa kung ano man meron dyan. No? Uwi na tayo, pagod na pagod ng mga bata. Okay, so right turn ba rito? Doon sa kabilahan. Kasi gilid lang yan ng ano eh. Ito, diretso na tayo sa ano.
Ikot ka lang sa runabout.
IKEA. Alright guys, let's roll. Ayun na yung hotel. Dinaanan natin kanina. Let's go na. Oh! Bagong sapatos na Ate Sinel. Tapos si Ate Clark. Let me see your LeBron James, Ate Clark. Ate Sinel. Show me your LeBron James and show me Clark your shoes.
Air Forces.
Oh, that is LeBron James. Open it. Wow, show me. Let me see. Witness. Guys Witness number 7. It's O22 for 4 months basketball. Naglalaro kasi ng basketball si Ate Sinel eh. Ayan King James. Ayun LeBron James. Yan. Tapos ito yung trending naman na sapatos. Trending shoes ni Ate Clark. Nagpabili siya ng trending shoes. Ito yung trending shoes na sapatos ngayon guys eh. Nike Air Force 1. Let me see. Wow, isa na rin itong magastos. AF1. Trending AF1. Ayan Diyos ko. Nike. Well, let me see with Baki too. Let me see. Ito rin, isa rin. Ay, meron pang. SB. What is the meaning of SB? Small Baki?
Subtitle.
No. Small. Let me see. There's always there. Alexander. SB. There's always here. There's always here. What it says is Nike SB.
Which means
Aliop GS. White black. 4 years old. SB. Basta SB ang sabi. Hindi naman ako ano. At ang presyo niya is $49.99. Guys. Magkano yan, Clark? Yung Air Force 1 mo, AF1, Nike AF1 is $79, ayun o, $0.99. Yan, Ate Sinel, magkano yan? Let me say.
$100.
Let me say. Mag-aral mabuti. Make your papas proud. Oh, yan o. 99.99. 140 ang price niyan dati. Nakita natin sa taas. Ngayon, 99 lang. Kasi sale sila ngayon eh. 9.5. Alright, yan. Okay, put it in there now. And mag-barbecue tayo at magluluto ko ng babonin ko para bukas. Ayos, yan. Bukas na siguro daw kami magluluto ni Mrs. ng mga ano guys, babaunin ko. Bukas na kami mag-iihaw kasi hapon na rin. Naglalaba siya kasi magandang panahon. Sipag talaga yung asawa ko na, parang walang tigil. But anyway, siguro putulin ko na yung video vlog natin ito ngayon dito guys, no? Maraming salamat sa inyong walang sawang panonood sa video vlog ng Lakay Trucker. Bukas, bibiyahan na tayo. Kita-kita ulit tayo sa kalsada na to. Guys, thank you for watching. Bye for now. Peace out. Lakay Trucker.